How to hide your followings and followers list on Instagram to public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide your Instagram following list or follower list to your general public. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, what you want to do is simply tap on your profile icon, and then as you can see here, I have my professional account. So if you have a professional account, then everyone will be able to see your followings list or followers list, unless that the number is very large. So in order to hide your following or followers list, what you can do is tap on the settings icon and then simply tap on creator tools and controls if you have a professional account. Now, first thing you want to do is switch your account type to personal account because you're not able to make your account private on if you have a creator or a business account. So you just have to turn off your professional mode and switch your account back to your normal personal mode. And after you do that, tap on settings again. Now, what you're going to do is click on account privacy. As you can see, I have a public account. So what it does is when your account is public, your profile and your posts can be seen by anyone on or off Instagram, even if they don't have Instagram. So when your account is private, only your followers who you approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos, or hashtags. So just turn this on and switch to private. And now only your followers will be able to see your followings list or your followers list. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.